Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! This week started with bearish candles, what we can see here at the price 1.10329. The price formed on a Monday, a bearish candle, but on a Monday the price first returned back up and then falls down. If we move on a 4-hour time frame, we can see what has happened on a Monday. Wait a minute. And this is the formation, what we can see here on 4-hour time frame. The previous week has ended here, and on a Monday the price has formed indecision candle, and from there the price moved down to the 1.09860. What we can see here, after the price has break below on a Monday, the price has returned back up to test the 1.09860 as a resistance level, which was previous support level. What we can see here, the price did not stop at all on a 4-hour time frame at this support, which means this support has lost its strength and the price only returned back up to test it as a resistance. The next day the price has moved down, but with here two bearish pin bars. This was also a nice bearish signal to enter into the trade if you did not enter it previously. This candle formation, what we can see here, is a great signal, and if you see it again in the future, you could plan to enter into this signal if the signal is formed in the direction of the trend. In this case, we had a bearish trend, which we have also mentioned that the price could move further down, so this signal was really a good point. When we move again back to daily candle, we will see what has happened further. Wait, okay. This was Monday. Then on a Tuesday we have again bearish candle, which we have seen on a 4-hour time frame, two bearish pin bars. From there the price has moved down and stopped the day at the beginning of this demand zone around 1.08846. This support level was mentioned in the previous week analysis, where I have said the price will reach this level if the price breaks below this support level. And the price on a Monday has closed below previous these candles day close, what you can see here. Previous day candle close was here, but on a Monday the day has closed here. So this was also a signal that the price will move down. After reaching this demand zone, the price on the next day have tried to reach lower levels, and that has happened. The price reached lower levels, but from here, the demand zone, the bulls have took the price on the higher levels, reaching this resistance level of this downtrend channel and making a large wick. But what is important here is that the open price and the close price are close together, so we have here some kind of indecision candle, which large wick on the upper side, which represents a seller strength, preventing the price moving higher from this support level. On the below side we have a smaller wick, which represents bearish strength, but not enough strong to push the price more down. On the next day we had a similar scenario. The bulls have took the price again on the upper level, but not reaching the higher levels than the previous day. So, with a larger wick and a candle body which is below previous day, and the candle close day was below previous day on Wednesday. So this is also signal the price could not end this day with the higher levels, which means the bears are much stronger than the bulls. But the bulls also did not allow the price to move below. What we can see here, this wick on the below side is also a small wick, but it is lower than the previous day. So we can make conclusion that on a Wednesday and a Thursday, the bears were much stronger than the bulls and the price was pushed down. On a Friday, what we can see here, bears have finally found strength to move the price more down. But the bulls have took over and pushed the price back up. But what we can see here, with a smaller wick on the upper side, which was not above previous day open price, and we can see here that the close price is below previous day close price, which means again the price was under strong selling pressure and the day has closed below previous day close. So what we can see here, this is a bullish pin bar that is suggesting move higher, but this bullish pin bar is made here on this currently resistance level because the price has break below. So this support level is not anymore support level, it is a resistance level. What we can see here if we move on a 4-hour time frame, wait a minute, similar scenario here we have as on a previous breakout on the lower level. We had two bearish pin bars that have tested this previous support as now resistance level. Now we have here the same scenario. The price break below, make a bearish pin bar, testing the previous support as now as a resistance level, and the price did not close the day above this price. So what we can make a conclusion that at this level 1.08846 is now acting as a resistance. When we move again back to daily time frame, we can see here now a confluence of resistance. So we have this horizontal level as a resistance and we have this downtrend resistance level. So this confluence of resistance will prevent the price from moving up. We have also here a selling pressure which was not tested on a Friday, which means the bulls have lost strength. They could not move the price again higher, trying to make reaching this level as a resistance level. But bears have much more strength and push the price even further down. So this is suggesting further move down, reaching 1.07825 level in the next week. What we could see here is a small break up here and making again some kind of bearish signal as a bearish engulfing bar or a bearish pin bar here around this confluence level. But we could also see moving price immediately down. So this is the best to wait until the Monday closes. So on the Monday we will see where the price has closed and which formation has created. What we have seen here in the previous week, on a Monday the price closed below previous candle's close, so this was a signal the price has strong selling pressure and we will see the price moving down. What else we could see here? If we move on a weekly time frame, we will see how the market looks. Okay, here it is. What we can see here, a strong selling pressure in the previous weeks. Then we had a strong bullish pressure which could not make the price above this downtrend resistance line, and in the 2 weeks before we had a strong bearish pin bar that was reaching 1.11871 resistance level, immediately returned back down, which suggesting a strong selling pressure here. So the price could not move above this level in this previous week, but it was pushed completely down. And take a look where the week has ended. The week has ended below these previous week closes, so this means we could see the price moving down even further. If we take a look in the history in the past, we will see what has happened around this level and around this level. Okay, we are looking this area. So in times when the price was falling down, we could see that decision level was here at 1.07825. So this support level has held the price from moving further down. Next time, when the price was falling down on a weekly basis, this support level was not so significant. It was break completely below and reaching 1.06736. On the next attempt to break below this level, 1.07825 was a significant level. Next time, again it was significant level. Next time, as a third time, was significant level. So 4 times here, this support level has held the price from falling further down, so we can expect the same scenario again in the next week or in the next 2 weeks, depending how the price will behave. But this strong selling pressure is indicating that we could see the price falling down. If the price on a Monday doesn't close below even further, we could see price reaching again this level here, returning back up, making a retrace, and then falling down further, reaching this support level 1.07825. It is smart to wait until Monday closes, because what we can see here, the Friday is also the day when the traders has locked their profits. After selling pressure, the price returned back up because many traders has locked their profits. From sell trades, they have closed their trades, so this closing trades has pushed the price back up. So if we make a conclusion, if the traders did not close and lock the profit on a Friday, we could see price here closing today. This would also suggest the price will decline even further down. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!